Model, 2011 Citroen Dispatch Expert 1001.6 HDI 90 short wheelbase, needs turbo spares or repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 203568. MOT, 4 March 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 UTED4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is 100% is all good, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Straightforward, simple turbo replacement part, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call